Final expense insurance, also known as burial or funeral insurance, is a type of life insurance designed to cover the costs associated with end-of-life expenses. This form of insurance provides a death benefit that helps beneficiaries pay for funeral services, burial or cremation costs, and other related expenses. It is typically purchased by individuals looking to ease the financial burden on their loved ones and ensure that their final wishes are met without placing a financial strain on their family. Final expense insurance is primarily targeted toward seniors or those who are nearing retirement age, though it can be beneficial for anyone looking to plan for their end-of-life expenses. This insurance is ideal for individuals who want to ensure that their final arrangements are covered, minimizing the financial impact on their surviving family members. It is especially useful for those who may not have significant assets or a large life insurance policy to cover these costs. The primary benefit of final expense insurance is that it provides a predetermined amount of coverage to address funeral and burial costs, which can be substantial. Typical covered expenses include funeral services, burial plots, cremation, caskets, and other related costs. Some policies may also cover medical expenses or legal fees, though these are often secondary considerations. Final expense insurance offers peace of mind by ensuring that these costs are taken care of without burdening family members. End-of-life expenses can include a wide range of costs, such as funeral home services, transportation of the body, flowers, and obituary notices. Burial arrangements might involve purchasing a plot, a headstone, and a casket. Cremation costs typically cover the service itself and the cremation container. Final expense insurance helps to cover these expenses, ensuring that the insured's wishes are honored while providing financial relief to their family. Simplified underwriting and premiums. Final expense insurance often features simplified underwriting, meaning that it generally does not require extensive medical exams or lengthy approval processes. This makes it more accessible for individuals who may have health issues or prefer a quicker application process. Premiums for final expense insurance are typically affordable, but they can vary based on factors such as age, coverage amount, and insurance provider. One drawback of final expense insurance is the waiting period, which can range from 1 to 2 years. During this period, if the insured passes away from natural causes, the policy might only return the premiums paid, rather than the full death benefit. This is known as a graded death benefit and is a common feature in many final expense policies. Additionally, some policies might not cover certain expenses, such as certain types of medical or legal fees. Cremation costs are often covered by final expense insurance, though it's important to verify with the specific policy. Social Security benefits typically provide a modest lump sum death benefit, but this amount often falls short of covering all final expenses. Final expense insurance can help fill this gap, ensuring that the full cost of arrangements is covered. Final expense insurance generally does not cover all types of expenses. For example, it may not cover long-term care costs, outstanding medical bills, or other debts. Policies might also exclude certain high-cost funeral services or elaborate arrangements beyond the standard coverage limits. In conclusion, final expense insurance provides a valuable service by covering the costs associated with end-of-life arrangements, thereby reducing the financial burden on loved ones. Understanding the coverage, costs, and limitations of these policies helps ensure that they meet individual needs and provide the intended peace of mind. Click on the link in the description below for your free ebook titled Understanding Your Options. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful insurance info and tips.